In this video, I'm gonna show how to connect your personal Gmail to Instantly.ai for free. So after creating an account, go to your email accounts, here on Add New. And here you're gonna have to go with the third option and click on Google Gmail G Suite. Here, Google is gonna offer you two options. First one is for Google Workspace, which is not free, it is only for paid subscription users. And second one is a free version that I'm gonna use right now. So here you can see all the links with the tutorial. First thing what you're gonna have to do is press on security settings. And here in Google, I'm gonna search for two-step authorization. Here it is, two-step verification. And as you can see, I already have turned it on. And also you're gonna have to turn it on your Google account. And here you're gonna have an option to choose from. Is it gonna send you SMS to your phone or to another Google app, like this one, for example. And after that, you can close this window. After you have enabled two-step verification, you're gonna have to create an app and app password. For that, click on this next link. As you can see, I have already one app over here. I'm gonna delete it and create a new one. And click create. And after that, Google is gonna give me a password that I'm gonna need in Instantly. And click done. And now you can click next on Instantly, enter your email and app password that Google just gave you, and click connect. And as you can see, it is now connected and I can go back to Instantly. And here you can see my email is right over here. One thing you can do is click enable warm-up, but in that case, it's gonna send emails to your Gmail and from your Gmail. So your emails get to your customer, not to the spam. But if you're using this Gmail every day, then it's gonna be quite annoying. Also remember that Gmail is not meant for this mass Gmail sending, so send emails with a low volume so you don't get banned from Google. In my next video, I'm gonna show how to set up campaign in Instantly, but for now, have a great day.